Spray's here. See how they relax? I was just trying to get them. They were chasing each other all over the yard. It's pretty funny. Comes my dogwood. Hope it makes it. It's got a little disease on it. And there's Sweet Blue. Sweet Blue has become like my catbird that I'm not sure is going to arrive again this year. My buddy, Blue. It's so cool to watch him. That's the one who has a hurt foot. That's why he's laying down. That's a mama. Mama Squirrel comes here every day at 5 p.m. and knocks on my door. I hear a big bang and she'll be standing right there, up on her hind legs. They're well behaved. Look at. A lot of people don't like them, but they know me and they're well behaved. They don't bother me at all. They don't chew my screens. They don't do any of that stuff. What is he doing? See how fast he eats it? It's like he can't get it fast enough. Oh my God, he's got to get up here and see what's here now. Oh. Yes, let's eat everything we can. Again, those stickers are on the door to keep the birds from hitting it. Look at his feet. He reminds me of something out of The Hobbit. I think it's a compliment that they're all hanging out here. No worries. And I've been watching them all. It's mating season. And the blue jay, he'll come down and get a safflower seed and he'll go up, or a peanut without a shell. And he'll go up into the tree where his other buddy, his mate, is waiting, and they feed each other. It's so beautiful. It really is. It's beautiful. I tried to find their nest. A lot of robins here too this year. Ciao for now.